anytime I come down to the session, it's like a big weight lifted off my shoulder. You know, I feel much better psychologically, you know, and it takes my mind off what the body is actually going through. So it's very therapeutic.
This program is a new pathway that's designed to support people who are living with chronic pain, specifically focusing on a more kind of holistic approach. So involving the 6 pillars of lifestyle medicine, which is healthy eating, movement and exercise, mental well-being, healthy relationships, and staying away from risky substances and making sure you're getting enough sleep.
Because I look normal, most people wouldn't be able to see it, but I'm actually experiencing pain now, and going through this session, just having time out with others, you know, it's good for my mental health, because sometimes, you know, the pain wants to take over. So when you're around others who are experiencing pain, that brings comfort.
I've been made to understand that pain, like we understand it, is different from what pain actually is. All right, and the coping mechanism to pain, because there's no quick answer, you know, to chronic pain. So in a way, it gives me that assurance that one, I'm not alone. Yeah, because it's a very isolated society. So and when you're going through things, you think you're all alone by yourself.
There's a lot of people who suffer from chronic pain, first of all. So if we look at the general population, about 20% of people suffer with chronic pain. And if you look at statistics in our local community in Lambeth, it's around the same. However, when you look more closely at the demographics, you will notice that Black people, particularly Black women, have much higher rates of chronic pain, almost 34%. And whilst our healthcare system does make an effort to address health inequalities, we recognise that there are some that are apparent. So we know that the current pathways and systems may not be supporting them as well. So taking a different approach, an approach that's specifically tailored to their needs, allows us to support them better.
I think this programme will be brilliant for others, and I would love for it to be expanded for others to experience what me and the rest of who were on my session experience. It's brilliant. It needs to be out there. It definitely needs to be out there to help others.